We wanted to make a quick video to introduce you to the line of Transmitter Solutions Keypad and Keypad card reader combos. You can see that I have here in front of me some of our most popular options. A couple things to keep in mind when you look at our keypads is going to be, first, the cost. These are all extremely cost effective. Second is the application. We have all different types of sizes, hardwired or wireless, as well as Wiegand or standalone. So our keypads, there's a keypad option for any application that you have out there. We also wanted to let you know that we have different styles for different applications that you might have. So for instance, these units here are all of our more access control keypad card reader combos that are extremely durable, especially these two here, and extremely cost effective. Where we also have some of our more popular options for automatic gate installations, where you're going to be putting it on a gooseneck. This one here, which is going to be comparable to the very popular AK11 keypad, again at a really good price point. And then these two options, which are completely wireless and battery powered, so it makes for an easy, quick installation. Again, extremely cost effective. So the goal is to give you different options, different styles, all at a great price point, allowing you to choose between hardwired or wireless, keypad and card reader combo, standalone or Wiegand. Thanks.